That is not how you take a turning. And there's one cycling on the pavement there. There's a perfectly good cycle lane here, you know. Straight past the police, who of course are entirely useless. Oh, jump in the lights, jump in the lights. Pair of twats, jump in the lights. Undertaking. Jump in the lights. Bloody hell, trying to overtake a right turning deal. What a pillar. Cycling on the pavement. Jump in the lights. And onto the pavement. But jump in the lights. And there's one cycling on the pavement. Jump in the lights. And there's one cycling on the pavement. Jump in the lights. Jump in the lights, wrong side of the road and on the pavement. Scumbag on the pavement there. Jump in the lights. Jump in the lights. Jump in the lights. Another one on the pavement. There's another twat cycling on the pavement.
Okay, cool. What else do you need? Yeah, I'll just get a couple stuff. Okay,
Jump in the lights. I do wish these novices would learn the rules. And we got one on the pavement. A scumbag cycling on the pavement there. There's one cycling on the pavement there. Jump in the lights. What an arse. Failing to give way. Oh, he's jumped the lights. Imagine being so stupid you don't know what traffic lights are for. Cunt. And there's one cycling on the pavement. And there's one jumping the lights. Oh, jump in the lights. And one on the pavement. Hello, wasps. Right, so we've got one twat on the pavement. And one from the Suffolk Council parked on the pavement. Jump in the lights, 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 jump in the lights. And there's one on the pavement, bloody moron.